Hi! In front of me is Samsung Galaxy A33 and today I would like to show you how you can change apps permissions on this device. Start by opening settings and scrolling down. Then click on apps section over here and click on those three dots at the top right corner. From here, select Permission Manager and tap on one of your device's features, like location. Then select one of your apps. I will go with Maps because it has a lot of options, and tap on one of those. Allow all the time, allow only when using the app, ask every time, or don't allow. I will go with Allow all the time. So now I need to click on the back button, and as you can see, when I swipe up, Maps just gained access to this device location. But you can also select one of your apps, scroll all the way down and click on See All Maps Permissions. Then manage all of them only for this app from here. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, leave a like, comment and definitely subscribe. Bye!